Displays these days are everywhere. You have displays at home, you have displays at work, you have displays in your mobile phone, you have displays in a tablet, you may have a very large display for information terminals. And displays are very fragile, so they need to be protected by cover glass. And I like to guide you through the different types of cover glass which exist as most common variations. So this is a standard float glass which protects the backside TFT. And the standard float glass is very common, is rather cost effective, but it has one disadvantage. Standard float glass is like your standard window glass at home. And standard window glass has a green tint. And in some applications, the green tint is not what you need, because you need to have a very true color, for example, in medical applications. To allow true color on a display, you can use so-called super white glass. So super white glass is a special mixture of the components. It has less iron oxide inside, and super white glass doesn't tint in a greenish color what is behind the glass. So this can very well be used in medical application, in imaging applications, and you will get exactly the color you like. In mobile applications like the mobile phone or any applications which you carry around, you want to have a very light weight. And weight is the main disadvantage of glass. If you have a thick glass like this is heavy. And if you want to have a mobile device, it should be as light as possible. So there is a very special glass available which can be super thin. It can also be thicker if you have a hard impact on top. But due to the fact that this is a very special substrate, you can bend it a lot. And bending allows to have a strong impact on the front. And hence, if you have a super thin glass, it can take about the same impact as a very thick glass. The last glass I like to show you is so-called borosilicate glass. Borosilicate glass is used in ovens. It can take a lot of heat, about 500 degrees Celsius, and it can take a temperature shock about 200 degrees, so top and bottom. And this borosilicate glass is normally not used in display applications, but it can be used, for example, in laboratories. So it has a very high chemical resistance, and that may be a reason why you have it in front of a display, to protect it from some chemicals which may splash against the front. For AFNet, we have all these different types of glass. So please trust us that we advise you in the best way. Come to us and ask us for any type of application which you have.